Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you the Keurig K-Supreme, how to put it in high altitude mode and how to check if it's in high altitude mode and how to take it out of high altitude mode. So this Keurig does not have a display that'll show a little mountain icon, but we can still put it into high altitude mode. Okay, so anytime you're doing anything with settings, make sure you've got water in the reservoir. Make sure the add water light is not on. Now, if your coffee maker is on, make sure it's plugged in, but if it's on, we want to turn it off. And we've got to hold two buttons in with it off in order to put it into high altitude mode. So I've got the machine off. I'm going to hold the 8 ounce and the big K button. Okay, we're going to hold them down together. And what happened is the 12 light came on. You may not have seen it, but after 3 seconds, the 12 light came on. That tells you that it's in high altitude mode. So again, the machine is off. Let's hold the 8 ounce. We can take it out of high altitude mode. We're going to hold these until the light goes out. Okay, we just took it out of high altitude mode. So let's do it again. 8 ounce and the big K and the 12 came on. That means it's in high altitude mode. So now, again, let's take it out of high altitude mode. Now it's out of high altitude mode. Just make sure the machine is off, plugged in, water in the reservoir, and that's how you do it. The 8 ounce and the K button. Okay, so now that we've got it in high altitude mode, they want you to do one more extra thing. So when we put a K cup in, like normally I just put the K cup in, close the handle, and it pierces the top and the bottom all by closing it with the handle. But if you live in a high altitude, Keurig wants you to pierce the bottom needle using your hands. Be careful, there's the sharp needle. So take your K cup, there's that needle. We're going to press it down on that till we hear like a pop. See, it popped. Now it's nice and flush. Now I can just close the lid, and now I'm ready to do my brew. Let's just open it up. We can see that we poked a hole in the bottom with that needle right there. So that's how you'll brew a K-Cup at high altitude, is by poking it down onto that needle. Check out my other videos where I show you how to descale this. I also show you how to make a coffee over ice. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe.